In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear the Discord cache on Windows, Mac, iPhone, and Android devices. Discord is a highly popular communication platform that's especially beloved by gamers and various online communities for its voice, video, and text communication capabilities. Like any other app, Discord stores temporary data on your devices. This data, often referred to as a cache, helps the app run faster and more efficiently. However, over time, this cache can grow large or become corrupted, leading to various issues such as increased load times, errors, or even difficulties in updating the app. That's why clearing the Discord cache can be a fantastic troubleshooting step, helping everything run more smoothly. Firstly, let's tackle how to clear the Discord cache on a Windows computer. Begin by opening File Explorer. You can do this by clicking on the folder icon located on your taskbar, or by pressing the Windows key +E on your keyboard. Once File Explorer is open, you'll need to locate the Discord folder. This is typically found within the app data folder, a hidden folder in your user directory. To get there, type %appdata% in the File Explorer's address bar and press enter. In the window that opens, navigate and find the Discord folder. Inside the Discord folder, you'll find several files and folders, but we are specifically interested in the cache, code cache, and GPU cache folders. Select these folders, then right-click and choose Delete from the menu. Confirm if prompted, and that's it. You've successfully cleared Discord's cache on your Windows PC. Moving over to Mac, the process is slightly different, but just as straightforward. Open Finder, and in the menu bar at the top of your screen, click Go. Then select Go to Folder. Type ~library, application support, Discord, and press enter. This will take you directly to the folder where Discord stores its cache files on Mac. Look for the cache, code cache, and GPU cache folders within this directory. Select them, right-click, and move them to the trash. Empty the trash to permanently delete these files, and you're done. For iPhone users, clearing the cache isn't as direct because iOS doesn't allow users to directly clear an app's cache. However, you can essentially achieve the same by offloading the Discord app, which deletes the app but retains its data, and then reinstalling it. Go to the Settings app, then scroll down to General and tap on it. Within General, find iPhone Storage and select it. Scroll through your apps and find Discord, tapping on it once you do. You'll see an option titled Offload App. Tap this, confirm your choice, and once the app is offloaded, tap on the Reinstall App button that appears in the same spot. This process clears unnecessary data without losing your app settings or data. Lastly, for Android users, the process to clear the cache is more straightforward than on iOS. Open the Settings app on your Android device and navigate to Apps or Applications, depending on your device. Find Discord in the list of installed apps and tap on it. Inside the app storage settings, you will see two options: Clear Data and Clear Cache. Tap on Clear Cache. Note that clearing data would log you out and reset the app to its initial state, so make sure you only clear the cache. Clearing Discord's cache can free up space, resolve issues, and improve the app's performance on your device. It's a simple maintenance step that can make a noticeable difference. Remember, the steps might vary slightly based on your device model and operating system version, so if you don't see the options exactly as described, look around for similarly titled options. By following these instructions, you can ensure that Discord runs smoothly, keeping your gaming sessions, calls, and community interactions as seamless as possible. Keep in mind, clearing the cache will not delete any meaningful data or conversations in Discord, so it's a safe and effective troubleshooting step. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips and guides. Happy gaming, chatting, and video calling.